In case we haven't met, I'm originally from Boston, Massachusetts, and now live in Sydney, Australia. I've taught purpose-driven art workshops for over 25 years in the United States, Canada, and all across Australia. I'm the author of 3 books, and together they've sold over 30,000 copies. However, what I think makes this workshop unique is that I draw on my own personal experience of PTSD, that is, post-traumatic stress disorder. I was married to a lovely man for 19 years. Unfortunately, he grew up in a very dysfunctional family and had a lot of unresolved trauma. Eventually, this caught up with him, and he slid into drinking every day, volatile tantrums, and throwing things sometimes. Home became a frightening place. I still find it hard to talk about. My son and I moved out, and my husband created a lot of fear and turmoil in our lives for 10 years until he passed away in 2016. My son and I both developed PTSD. This experience has led me on a journey to heal over 7 years. Now I'd like to help others. I've taken the insights from my own healing journey and combined that with my 25 years of teaching art to create the Meditative Drawing workshop. Together they create a unified approach that helps people both heal and have creative fun along the way.